Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extensions which allows you to preview and open your LaTeX files directly inside VS Code. So go to the extensions tab and just type here LaTeX, and there are quite a number of extensions will come right here. This is the first extension, which LaTeX is the main extension, or you can even say LaTeX viewer. So this is the extension that I'm talking about. Simply activate this extension. This will let you preview your LaTeX files directly inside VS Code. So if you do have a LaTex file like this will be opened directly. So it will display the live preview like this. So here you can enter whatever LaTeX that you want to write here, and instantly in live preview it will show you the live preview of this LaTeX, as you can see. So this is the LaTeX viewer extension, live preview extension, that as you are writing your code, automatically it will show you the live preview section. So thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.